Hello, it's Adam Turner here to give you a final update on my Blogz application, which I've been working on for about 3 or 4 weeks now. It's sort of reached a point where I shouldn't focus on it so much anymore and build something new, I think. So yeah, it's good. It's been enjoyable. It's fun, but it's not something I want to turn into a serious product. It's just been a learning tool and something interesting to share and learn with. Yeah. So next product, I'll talk about that elsewhere, but that'll be something a little bit more serious and something I plan to build in public. So we'll look at that next. But yeah, it's also my birthday today, actually, surprisingly. And I asked a few people how old they think I look, and most say I'm a lot younger than I actually am. So I won't reveal the age or numbers that were provided, but you can guess. Anyway, um, yeah, so let's have a look at the final bits of the application. So we've got this. I'll just do a little login. You can see the login screen here. It's quite nicely done, I think, anyway. Praising myself there. You log in, and now when we add a post, hello, this is a new post. Hey there. You can add a GIF. So I've integrated the GIPHY API with the front end, and it stores the GIF URL that the user selects in the back end database, on the database, sorry. So there I'll go with this. I don't know what that's all about, but I'll just do it anyway. And that's it. So that is one of the new features, apart from this lovely new theme, which is this kind of dark shade of blue. It was recommended by a friend on Twitter. You can now add a GIF to a post. You can do the same with comments. I can comment with a GIF, a GOF, a GIF. Let's do that. We'll throw Leo in there and see what happens, and then like it and like it. So I mentioned in the previous videos, I also implemented the like feature, which now is a toggle like feature rather than unlimited likes. So that's all very good. So yeah, that's essentially all that's changed. So all of the base functionalities there, you can make a post, you can like it, you can comment on it. It's not a far cry from a big social network. It's got that base functionality. You've got your users, and you do have like what could be turned into a profile here. So it's got the list of the blog posts which are associated with the user. So yeah, I could turn that into some profile thing. I could spend hours and hours building it up so that users can have profiles and profile images, and they can be connected with each other and have friend lists and all that sort of thing. I'm not going to go that far with this. I've learned what I need to learn, and I think that space is just way too competitive to try and get into seriously. So yeah, it's served its purpose in that respect. The other big thing I did was refactor this huge blog component, which was just one big code chunk uh, which handled the blog posts. So now that is a little bit smaller. So I'll show you what we've got now. Blog is just this. It's just broken down into its constituent parts. You've got header, content, and then comment form and comments list, so a list of comments. And that's just, so for example, the header just contains the title and the author and the date stamp and so on. So that is essentially what it does. Yeah, so that's it. I refactored things. I've tidied the code up a bit. The last thing I'm going to do is work on the tests. So I need to align the test with where I've got with the code. I didn't follow the TDD approach as well as I should have done. I wrote some great tests at the beginning, but then I ran ahead and did these features without following the kind of red-green refactor process. So that needs to be caught up with. But otherwise, all looking good. So yeah, I've enjoyed working on that project, and I'm going to go to the dentist shortly to have a filling because it's my birthday, and that's what we do on our birthday. But hope you enjoyed following those. I will post the link to the project and the GitHub, and you're welcome to take a look. But have a good day.